shop, I am Bertie, founder with Martial of this avant-garde porcelain maker established since 2008.
Hi, I'm Martial. Welcome to our atelier. Our studio is open to explore all possibilities in close collaboration with you. We create innovative products that you use, sensitive and meaningful. We create and develop specific shape and pattern from scratch to finished product. Thanks to all of you, our distributors, retailers, architects, hotels, restaurants, fashion brands and contractors, our products are present in 27 different countries. Live non-sans product, buy quality, cultivate the less but better. Thank you, we are Non Sans Raison.